Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Cody, and today we're going to be looking at GJ and gold trades that was called out in the Telegram. And before we get started, before we look at those trades and break those down, the Telegram description will be the Telegram link will be in the description below. We have, if we take a look at that real quick, we have 73 people in here. I think last video we had 67, so we've had quite a, we've had a couple of new people coming in. And yeah, so you can see here 11 wins, 0 losses, and 3 break-even trades called in this Telegram so far by me. And yeah, these are the charts, these are the setups. So this was today again. Gold levels are in. So this is June 7th. You can see June 7th down here at 3 p.m. It is now 4:40 p.m. right? So this is what I said, this is what I posted. Gold, right? Stop loss, entry, take profit, right? Boom. This is the GJ, right? See, GJ levels are in. Stop loss, entry, take profit level. So yeah, that's the trade. So an hour and a half later, this trade hit take profit for 30 pips, and there was GJ at break even as well. So the GJ trade is still going. This is the GJ trade, but like I said, I closed here because it's stalling on this hourly candle here, and it keeps flipping bullish and then bearish and then bullish and then bearish, and but we want to see that momentum continue to the downside quite strong. When you're in a trade, you don't want to see it doing anything like this, kind of just stalling. Oh, am I bearish? Am I bullish? Am I bearish? Am I bullish? You want to see clear indication and clear direction and clear momentum with that trade that you are taking in your direction, like we did here with gold. You can see that price triggered us in, and boom, it just dropped straight down. So, yeah, I mean, beautiful setup here on gold today. The levels respected beautifully. If we have a look to the left over here, right, nice level, boom, 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 tapped in here and dropped. We see that we tapped in pre-London, and price dropped, right? And we can see that below this level, you can see this is where price is stalling, right? So here we've got, a support, and last time I traded this level was right here. Once price broke it, right, price came down quite a bit. Here rejected, here pushed up, and then rejected back underneath. Acted as support, resistance, support, and then with the pre-London volume, this is what I always talk about in all my YouTube videos. You will see that 2 hours before London opens is the window that I like to trade. Around about 2 hours before London opens and around about 2 hours after London opens, that is kind of my window where I like to trade, and I won't trade before that or after that at any time under any circumstances, unless of course someone stands with a gun to my head and says trade outside of your window, but that's not going to happen. So yeah, that was the trade. So you can see my levels, beautiful levels, and you can see I'm just looking at the momentum that is going to come into the market and the volume that is going to come into the market during this pre-London session, and I'm looking to ride that momentum and volume based on market structure, based on levels, based on price action here on the 1 hour time frame, and based on my volume momentum window, VMW. So yeah, that is today's gold trade called in the Telegram, which you can join at no cost whatsoever, or however I ask you to do once you're in this Telegram. If you want me to keep posting trades, and you'll see if I just give you a quick example, right? Well, I make a YouTube video exactly like this one, and I say get this to 10 likes if you want me to post today's setups, right? And so everyone just clicks on the link, clicks on the video, they go over to my YouTube channel and they like the video. A lot of people have been leaving comments, or a few people have been leaving comments. You can see this was the video, 38 views, 11 likes, and you can see we had 12 comments as well, people commenting and stuff like that. So that is all I ask, is that if you are in the Telegram and you are enjoying the setups and you want me to keep posting them, whenever I post a YouTube video, go over, hit the like button, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and just engage in the channel in general. And I'm happy to keep posting my setups at no cost whatsoever at the moment. So yeah, that's all I ask for. So I would appreciate that. And I think that's about it. Yeah, so GJ, like I said, same thing with GJ. If we take a look, this GJ trade is still, I'm not in this trade anymore, but it is still valid. But because gold already hit take profit, I'm just jumping out of this trade now. There's no point me being in it. I've made my profit for the day. And like I said, it's stalling. You can see there, it just flipped bullish, bearish, bullish within like 3 or 4 seconds. So those are the kind of signs that you need to be picking up on and going, okay, I'm getting out of this, because it's indecisive, right? There's no momentum at the moment. There was momentum to the downside here. You can see the move down, the slight pullback, and the continuation bearish. And then we have this level over here, as you can see. You can see this kind of right here. Look where that wicked into, right into that level, rejected, and then continued bullish. And we can see here, we can see price rejecting it, price tried to close above, couldn't, rejected back down, closed back below, and then price closed above here and continues to move bullish. And you can see here it tapped it, closed below, but then couldn't sustain below this level and closed back above and continued moving bullish again. And then we see this rejection of this level here, right, as well. So again, this one is obvious. This is a key level to put my stop loss above. You can see this obvious one, right? Support, support, rejection, rejection, closure below, continuation down, resistance, resistance, support. You know, it's a clear level of support and resistance. So that is where I chose to put my stop above. Logical stop loss, logical take profit. Take profit down, obviously, at these levels in here before, where price has bounced, right? If I just mark that, you can see my take profit is in that general area. And we can see, if we move to the left, this key zone in the market where price consolidated, broke out, retested, and then continued bullish, right? So we're back at that level right now, pretty much. So I was just looking for a quick dip down into this level, maybe some rejection week, something like this, boom, boom, right? Dip down into that level before it potentially moves up or continues bearish and closes back below this overall key level right here. But I'm out of that GJ trade. Took gold profits, and yeah, that's that for today. So like I said, 11, what is it in the Telegram? Where is it? 11 wins, 0 losses, and 3 break-even trades called so far. So if you're not in it, head over, join Telegram. The link will be in the description. And yeah, just make sure you engage in the YouTube channel, leave likes on the videos that I post, comment on them, and I'll be happy to keep posting my trade setups in this Telegram for everybody to see and follow if you wish. That is not my intention of this channel. It is not a signals channel. It is literally me just journaling my trades, as you can see from the name of the Telegram. Well, you can't see right there, but if I go like this, you can see trading journal. So this is just literally where I journal my trades so I can look back on them. And if people want to, like I said, join, have a look, watch my progress, you know, see how I trade, that kind of thing. If you're interested, then you're more than welcome. And then it is up to you to completely do whatever you want to do with my setups, if you want to take them or not. If you want to use the same stop loss as me, if you want to change your stop loss, if you want to use the same take profit as me, blah blah blah, whatever you want to do. Yeah, so yeah. Cool. I think that's it. I think we covered everything. This video, I know you guys said on the last video in the comments that you would like to see more of a more detail of why I took this, why I'm taking these trades. So I'll try to break that down a little bit for you guys today with these key levels and levels in the market that I am looking at in order to take trades. And basically just reading market structure. If you just zoom out and you just take a look at the overall trend and, like, you know, certain key levels like this, and then we have one down here for gold which kind of got respected but kind of didn't. over here, right? This came down and broke below and then closed back above. So yeah, I'm just looking at key levels in the market. I'm looking at momentum, volume, trend, price action, and the most important aspect is the time that you trade your window. You shouldn't be looking to trade every session, every single day, all day. You should be looking at a small window which you can master in at one time in the day, and you focus on that one window, whether that be a 4-hour window, a 6-hour window, or 2-hour window, whatever you want to do. Focus on that window, and you look at the market at the same time every single day at that window that you choose. Like I said, mine is 2 hours pre-London till 2 hours into London session, maybe 3, right? So there's like a 5-hour window that I look at for trades, but it's mostly the kind of 2 hours before London Open to London Open window, which is where I look at every single day for my trades and my subs. And that is the most important part, because you're going to start to really understand how the market moves within that certain window. And so you can be more you can be more in tune with the markets. You understand what I'm saying? Like, you can learn more. You can just focus on that one period in time, that one small window, so you're not getting overwhelmed by all these different pairs, all, you know, throughout the whole of the day, all during all different sessions, things like that. Just focus on a couple of pairs. Like for me, GJ and gold. Even thinking about just sticking to gold and getting rid of GJ now. Sticking to very low pairs, right? 1 or 2, one session or one window, and one simple, very basic strategy which you can follow and understand easily and master, right? The strategy isn't the part you should be focusing on. It is the time that you trade, the window, and also what else did I say? I literally had no sleep last night. I've got a newborn baby, a daughter. She's 6 months old, and she was just like, I had to get up at 4 a.m. and yeah, she kept me awake for quite some time into the night. So, but yeah, you understand what I'm saying. If you have any questions, any more questions, leave them below. I will answer them. Like always, like the video. Make sure you're subscribed. Happy days. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.